All right, I'm suspending this chair construction right here to show you something. These are replacement casters from EMNT. So as with most chair kits, they come with these cheap, crappy plastic chair wheels. Why not go with a really nicely engineered wheel right off to start from this? Why not go with this? Look, it's like a nice real caster with absolutely legit real rubber, not plastic crap. Couple things you want to know. Number one, they're good for 1,000 pounds. Now I know this chair that I'm building is not good for 1,000 pounds, but these will hold 1,000 pounds. And the way they're designed, I have a big furry dog. The way they're designed, they won't collect a ton of hair in there instead of these things, which always end up completely clogged with hair. This is just junk. Let's go with this really nice one. This is so cool. Let's go put it in the chair, see how it works. The wheel installation and upgrade is now complete. It is on the chair. Let me show you how nicely this rolls without running over my dog. This is such a good upgrade. If you're building a new chair like this, get these wheels. They are awesome. If you want them, there is a link in the description below. Use it. It helps out the channel a little bit. We appreciate it. We say thank you in advance. It doesn't cost you anything extra to do that. Remember to like, subscribe, and throw in the comments what kind of chair are you upgrading. Is it a gaming chair like this, or is it like a luxury executive chair? Let us know. We want to know. I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.